Hello everyone, in this video I'll talk about Beihang University and there are different scholarships we can take a look. Chinese government scholarship, Chinese government high level postgraduate program and youth excellence, Chinese government scholarship Belt and Road program, Beijing government scholarship, Beihang University foreign student scholarship and foreign student scholarship. So these are scholarships and you can take a look to this scholarship. If you want to know further information regarding any of these scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll inform you about the information which you are looking for. And now today in this video we'll talk about Chinese government scholarship at Beihang University bilateral program. So you will need to click here. Now you can take a look here. So this scholarship will be type A. Like when you are be submitting your application at CSC portal, then you need to select type A for that scholarship, Chinese government bilateral program scholarship. And here we can take a look. So yeah, for that scholarship, Chinese government scholarship high level postgraduate program, you can take a look here, general information and then scholarship coverage. This is almost similar as CSC. It is CSC scholarship actually. The duration of the scholarship, eligibility criteria, you can take a look here, and required documents. If you will have any question related to any of these documents, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll explain you. So they have like, man, here you, if you require acceptance letter, just click here and you will download the acceptance letter of Beihang University. Like if you will get the acceptance from the supervisor, then you will click here to download the acceptance form. And you also need to pay the application fee. You need to be careful here, 400 RMB, okay. But I'll tell you that if you will pay the application fee, then there will be more chances to get the scholarship, because you know most of the students don't want to pay the application fee, so they will have less students who would be looking for the scholarship, and your chances will be more to secure the scholarship. How to apply for the scholarship is, yeah, as I told you that this is CSC scholarship. Here you can see first you need to apply at CSC portal. I will add the link in the description how to apply for CSC portal, okay. And then you need to submit application here at Beihang University portal. This is the link, and deadline for first batch, for second batch and for third batch. So you can submit application before 20th February 2024. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Here you can see the supervisors list, okay. You will click here and you will get all the supervisor with their email addresses. See, School of Electronic Information, and these are the supervisors. You can get the acceptance letter here. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to this channel. I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.